Then I'll go to the GBP CHF. So her second question was GBP CHF. And in the GBP CHF, she asked, please show examples of high risk reward. This is incorrect, Vijay. The high reward to risk, not high risk to reward. High reward to risk, right, Vijay? Reward should be high, risk could be low. High reward to risk trade setups. Yes, Vijay said yes, correct. High reward to risk trade setup on 12 hour, because the planet, that is how the peer pressure. I'm not blaming Vijay, I'm not laughing at Vijay, I'm laughing at the peer pressure. Entire universe talks about risk to reward. Every book talks about risk to reward, but we at NB Financial have changed that. And I'm keeping that for last 16 years. We say reward to risk. We do not say risk to reward. Risk to reward is a negative thing. Reward to risk is better. Like we do not say stop loss. We do not say losing. We say cost of business, because that is invariably a cost of business. Cost of business. Stop loss is a cost of business. If we say, oh, stop loss, then our brain will also say loss. Oh my God, crazy. All right, so GBP CHF reward to risk. GBP CHF reward to risk. This is a difficult one. All right, now let's see. GBP CHF, reduce price. All right, and make it bar chart, because I personally prefer bar chart, because I can see candlesticks on the bar. That is why I prefer bar charts. Anyway, if you prefer candlestick, that is personal preference. Nothing wrong in that. All right. So the first of month starts here. Month starts here. No signal. This is a possible signal, because this is coming after the red. And this is the possible signal when this is also blue, and that is also blue. Let's see, but the we cannot take this trade, Vijayta. Can we? Tell me, those of you who have done the 12 hour, can you tell me why we cannot take this trade from the strategy point of view? I can give you a hint. Look at the weekly and monthly. Yeah, Vijay, this is a resistance and range market, and what else? Yeah, both of the things which you said is correct. It is at a resistance. It is at the resistance here. It is a resistance, previous resistance. Yeah, that is correct.
And as we
Range.
can see into the histogram, like, that a line, it is showing more like oversold kind of thing.
Yeah, that's what Girija says. That is exactly correct. If I see here, on the weekly, and monthly, look at this weekly and monthly. Look at this weekly and monthly. If I keep this, if when I'm at the 9 o'clock in the morning, when I'm selecting a trade to go long, Vijay has already said this is a range market and it is at resistance. She is correct. But another thing which I'm looking for is at this point, the weekly histogram is red and monthly histogram is red. So we cannot take red histogram both.
You mean the score is less than 4?
No, this is 12 hours, so the a little bit different iron. For daily we have a score of 4, but for 12 hour we have a different. Yeah, probably your next session will cover the 12, start this 12 hour. But in this 12 hour, what we say, this has to be blue, 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 and one of them has to be blue, but both of them are red here. See, so that is not a trade. So this is not a trade. Forget about that. Then the next one. This is a possible, but this is not red. So forget about that. There is no trade. On the strategy point of view, there is no trade here. No, there is no trade here from the strategy. That's all right. When on the histogram, on the bar chart, we do not get a trade, then we go to the line chart. So on the line chart, if you see this fellow on the 3rd of September, it resembles with this one. 3rd of September. We can take this trade as a high probability setup because of the thing which happened here on that bar. Who can tell me what happened there? Two things. You all know this. Most of you. Dario is not introduced to this yet. So except Dario, everyone knows this. Maybe Rex has not been introduced because they are doing this initial part of beginners. But except Rex and Dario, everyone can answer this. Tell me what happened on this bar.
This bar comes after the green or the blue.
Yeah, this comes up at the end of the but at that point we don't know but yeah, you are, yeah, maybe, yeah, I give you maybe 50-50. What else?
Open and close below the line.
Oh, 100 out of 100. Yeah, you killed it. Exactly correct. Open and close below the line. Open, and these are very subtle, extremely subtle. We only capture subtlety at NP Financials. We say open and close is very good. Also, 70% of the bar closing below is very good. So this is open and close below, very good. This is open and close, very good. We don't know the right hand side. No one knows the right hand side. So this is a high probability LCTP, also a turning point, because this close is lower. This is a down bar. This is an up bar. This is a peak. So peak is up bar followed by a down bar, or down bar preceded by up bar. So this is a peak, and then turning point. This close is below. This down bar close is below the low of the up bar. Those of you who are not introduced to turning point concept, forget about it. We will do it when time comes. But those of you who are already introduced, so this is a turning point. So two things happen here again, my dear friend. One, we are stacking the probability in our favor. So the two things happened here. One is the turning point, turning point, reversal, turning point, reversal, because the small little whatever it is, I don't know. I'll not say this is any trend, but I can say that this red is greater than this blue, and this red is greater than this blue. So the impulsive is down. So this is impulsive, this is corrective, this is impulsive, this is corrective. Now the impulsive is starting. At the start of the impulsive, why did I say that? Because this red is greater than blue, this red is greater than this blue. So that is why we consider as possible down. So this is a turning point reversal, and Tyron has killed it. It has said open and close below, open and close below, open and close below, open and close below the line, open and close below the line. Very good, very good, very good. You are getting 100 out of 100. And then so we can enter here minus 10 points. So this low is 111.59. We'll enter here at 111.49. 111.49. Having saying all these things, I would not say this is a very high probability trade setup, because of two things. As Vijayta said, this is a range market, and also we are saying, although the swing high is coming down gradually, swing high is coming down, but the low is not yet taken out. So this is a tentative trend line. Everything of foundation we need to remember, everything of the basics of trading beginners we need to remember. So this is a tentative trend line because this low is not taken out. That is why I say it may not be a high probability trade setup. So we need to say whether this low is taken out or not. We hang on to this trade here, which goes correct. So we cannot take this trade here because of the strategy, but we can definitely take up the strategy with which we have another strategy, which is open and close below the line chart. Yeah. So although it was not a high probability trade setup, but it made money. And still making money. So 88 points. $1 a point is 88. $5 a point is $400. So if this is closing, not yet closed, if this is cracking this, I think so, because it has already cracked the low of this fellow. What is this low? The lowest low from this point, big range. From this we can actually extend this range, or we can draw another range, or we can extend, whatever you believe. But the lowest point is this one. The low of this one is 110.89, and the close of this one is 110.89. How good is that? How good is that? So 89.7 is the low, When we go to 4 decimal place and then say that they are the same, then we go to the 5th decimal place. Everyone can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Vijeta, yeah, why can't you hear me? You have muted your mic. No, I muted your speaker maybe. So the low here, check your speaker, Vijeta, and let me know. So the low here is 110.89, 110.89, and the close is, I'll write down low equal to 110.89, and the close of this bar is, close is 110.89, 110.89, 110.89, close. So in that case, what we do, we go to the, because there is a tie here, then in that case we go to the 5th decimal place, so the low here, which is support in blue is, 110.89.7. So we'll go to the 5th decimal place 7, and then we'll go to the 5th decimal place here, 110.89.0. Yeah. So 89.0 is less than 89.7. So this fellow has closed below this line, and bearish bar, and then touch close below bearish bar and low taken out. So that is a rule of 4 there. Everyone understood what I am doing? Any question? Because Vijaytas asked me to do both, foundation as well as strategy. So I am doing both foundation and strategy. Everyone understood how we got a rule of 4 here? How precise is the market here? This is 110.89.7. This is 110. Vijayta is saying can't hear. Unfortunately, I cannot do this any, because I am here. I am hearable to everyone else. Vijayta, if you cannot hear, that's your computer glitch. Then in that case, you can try two things. You can quickly leave the yeah, Ben says he can hear, Girija says he can hear, everyone can hear me. So if it is not here, you cannot hear Girija, that's sorry, Vijayta, it's a computer related problem. So I request you rejoin again. Yeah, that's it. All right, but everyone understood the subtlety here. 110.89.7, 110.89.
Yes, sir.
How many of you see this subtlety of the market?
I'm following from last 2-3 days to this.
Yeah, absolutely, isn't it? You can share your experiences, not that because I'm sharing my screen, I can only talk. You can share your experience. I can only talk if the market does something. So market did a rule of 4 here, touch line at 110.89.7, close below 110.89.7 at 110.89.0, and then low taken out. So now this is a possible uh, high probability trade setups. Make sense? Anyone having any question? Vijayta has joined. Can you hear me, Vijayta? Everyone can hear me, can see my screen. Let's see gold. Marty says, let's see gold. Okay. Let's see gold. Ding, 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 gold. Gold. Okay. Since Marty is asking gold, we'll only see price action on gold, because in Elliott wave, as Marty will be speaking, we don't see much of. On the commodity, we see indication, but in the when Marty is asking, I don't know. Can you elaborate on your question, Marty, please? Vijayta, can you hear me? Marty,
Can you hear me?
your question?
Yeah, just want to see your point of view on gold.
I can hardly hear you, Marty. Can you come close to the mic?
Just like to see your point of view.
What happened to your mic? Everyone can hear Marty. Can everyone hear Marty?
No, he's
No, we
very
can't.
quiet to
No, we
me.
can't.
Yeah, we cannot hear you, Marty. What happened? Are you using a new mic? For the timing, you can write down the question, but while you are speaking, you need to fix. Yeah, Vijayata says, I can hear you now. Good God. The mic must be damaged. Oh my goodness, Marty. What did you do to your mic? Then who will speak? When Marty, I am someone has to speak for the last half an hour because Marty's mic is damaged. So I'll request Ben, Girija, and everyone would like to see your point of view on gold. Okay, very good. Okay, so Vijayda, did I answer your question on GBP CHF? Vijayta says yes. All right. So we'll go to the. So I have answered your question. This one. I'll come back to your question. This one for the rest six. Rest six. I'll quickly answer this one. Natural because this is easy one. Then I'll answer. I'll take Marty's question. I have already answered this one. Now I am answering this one. Then I'll go to Marty's question on view on gold. Then I'll come back and answer your question. Okay, the first one. Okay, let's see natural gas. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go to we need to go to commodity. Again, allow me 10 seconds to bring this commodity chart in front of you. This chart shuffling gives me a little bit of break from speaking. But anyway, to get ready because Marty is not cannot. I don't know. Marty has broken his mic, so someone has to speak. Decide among Ben, Girija, Tyron who will speak, or you can combine a team and talk and share your thoughts, your trades. How is it going? How is it not going? And teach us. Teaching is nothing but sharing your knowledge. All of us are gifted. All of us are gifted some way or the other. So we need to we need to have an attitude to share our gift. That is what is written in the Think and Grow Rich book. So commodities, I'm set. So control S. First I'll answer natural gas. Ding 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 ding. Natural gas. I don't need last percentage. If you don't need percentage, just take it out. The percentage is not required. Ticker is good, name is not good, so take this out. Keep ticker. And then good, go there. Very good, very good, very good. And then do Control S. Excellent, lovely. All right. So natural gas. She is asking me a difficult question. Let me go to the trade idea which we shared for natural gas and Apple. Both of them are doing very good. 80% of our trades does very good for last 16 years, which is very good. All right, natural gas. We gave a call on 2222. I love these numbers. 2222 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. How good is that, Ben?
That's brilliant. And your stop position's got 3 8s in it too.
That's it. My stop is also 3.8. Good.
Yeah, you have to take that one. Have to take that one.
I have to take this. I have to take this one. Yeah, very good. Excellent. Yeah, it's not that we are a great we are a great believer of numerology. I don't personally. I say always two things about me. First thing, the only thing I know about myself is I know nothing. That is number one. And the only other thing I know about myself is I'm no one. So having said that, I know nothing about numerology, but I always see this 8 number keeps on coming back to me. Anyway, and Ben helped me to get those 8 numbers again and again. So we trade 8 currency pairs, 8 shares, 8 commodity, 8 cryptocurrency, 8 indices, everything 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. And Girija says 8 is good for trading. Right, Girija?
Yes, it's at least it's lucky for you.
8 is good. All right. So 3rd of September, we gave a call on natural gas on 222 to go long. Daily breakout gap. Daily break. If you have any challenge on this, just keep a just ask the support team. Those start supporting. What is this? What is the acronyms D? Otherwise, we have a complete acronym explanation in our Discord. So Discord is free to join. You can join Discord, and the acronyms are there. And also our professional, in our professional, one of the module I remember, in professionals, in one of our modules and units, we have all the acronyms. We have all the acronyms because it is a small place. That is why we have to do acronyms. Sorry for that. So D for daily, BO for breakout, gap for gap. So daily breakout 3/9, 3rd of November, 3rd of September, daily breakout. All right. So to see the breakout, we need to make this chart, daily chart, and then go to settings and then do bar chart. I love it. So bar chart. And then on the 3rd, this is the 3rd. This is the 3rd. Yeah. So we saw a daily breakout. See this close here. I'll write it down better for you to understand. So see this close here. What happened? Discord. Yeah, Discord is free to join, as I was telling you. And then how to join Discord also I'll help you. If you go to NP Financials, you always go to there. NP Financials, and then go to more. You go to more, and then we have about us, more and about us. So those of you who have not gone to our Discord yet can go there. Yeah, so this is very good. So the more, go to more about us, and then scroll down 1 section, 2 section, 3 section, and then 4 section, and then here Discord. On the 5th section you will have Discord. So if you click here, if you have a Discord ID, if you have a Discord already ID member, member, then you can join us. And in the meantime, if you have any problem, on joining that, let us know. Support team will definitely help you. So we have tremendous section like Elliott Web Discord. We have news and events. Marty is doing a tremendous job here under news and events. And we have also ask me anything. This is from Marty. You can ask anything to him at any point, but you need to have a membership of this to answer these questions. And also we have the daily, 12 hourly, 4 hourly, all those things. And the acronyms are here, somewhere here. Acronyms are here under NPF general, announcement, useful link, general communication, and then we have acronyms. So here you may be getting all those things, daily, breakout, and all those things. Yeah, BO is breakout. Yeah, D is daily, BO is breakout. So please refer to Discord acronyms if you are stuck there. All right. And how to go to Discord, I already told you more about us. So let me answer that question. So the close on the 30th of August is 2207.5. Close is equal to 2207.5. Let me make it a little small. Yeah, I don't know how many can read, but I'll read 2207.5. This is only for the space, and the open here, open here is, let me show the open. Open is 2234.5, 2234.5, 2234.5. So there is a gap of 27 points. Can you see that? There is a gap of 27 points. 27 points. There is a gap of 27 points. 27 points. So that is why we say daily gap, daily breakout gap. So there are three kinds of gap. One is the breakout gap, one is the continuation gap, and one is the exhaustion gap. So this is a breakout gap because because this is impulsive. In our understanding, Marty knows much better than we do on this impulsive corrective, but whatever we know, this is impulsive and this is corrective, and then the start of the impulsive. So at this when this correction is broken, we prefer to see the gap here, but after 3 days, after three white soldiers, we saw a gap. That is why we took this trade at we took this trade at 2222, which is makes up to a profit of, now we are making a profit here, 2222, 2422, 200 points, 200 points. So did I answer your question on the daily breakout gap, Vijayta? Vijayta says yes. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. So then I'll go to Marty, view on gold. Gold is also commodity. So I got the opportunity to answer both natural gas and gold. So those of you who have already completed our commodity course, they will understand what we are talking about. But those of you who have not done this, don't worry. When your Forex is over, we'll go to commodity or shares. So let's see what happened. What is happening to gold? Gold, and this is coming from Marty. Marty, team, I have linked phone to meeting and can use it as a mic. Oh, I am saved. Oh my God, you are a brilliant technician, Marty. You saved my life. All right, so Marty can talk from mobile after after a few minutes, 25 minutes, and we'll be learning from Marty. That is so good, very good, excellent, brilliant. All right. Let's see. Let's try to answer what Marty is asking. Gold. Before going to gold, we can have a naked chart here. Gold is from our strategy point of view, gold is probably looking more of a little bit bearish at this point, because this is for bearish and these are for bullish. We are bullish from here on the recent from 3rd of July, and again on this 31st of July. We got a little bit of bearishness here, and this did not trigger. So there is no trade here. This did not trigger because of this ESD. This got triggered. So we had a little bit of gold there, little bit of gold there, and then again a little bit of gold, not yet, because that did not trigger. So the beauty of this commodity trading is most of these false signals will not be triggered because we have a ESD. This is not triggered to the downside. This did not trigger to the upside. That is the beauty of commodity trading. But any which way, this is also not triggered. Very good, excellent, fantastic. So as you can see, 3 of them are not triggered, but this fellow got triggered, this fellow got triggered, and this fellow got triggered. So we are a little bit of bearish from the strategy point of view. From the strategy point of view, we are a little bit bearish, but from the foundation point of view,